everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the topic that many artists are curious about: copyrights in NFT art. If you ever wondered, do I give up my rights when I sell my NFT? Or what legal protections do I have as an artist? Then this video is for you. Let's break it down in simple terms. I recently got a question that inspired this video. If I sell my artwork as an NFT, am I signing over the rights to the work? The short answer is no. When you sell an NFT, you're selling a digital token that represents your work, not the copyright itself. Your physical artwork and the NFT version are two separate things, unless you explicitly link them. For example, by stating that you will send a physical piece to the NFT buyer. Think of it this way. Selling an NFT is like selling a limited edition print, rather than the original artwork itself. If you really want to be on the safe side, when minting your NFT, you can create multiples. Let's say you create 10 tokens of the same work, similar to limited edition prints. And when somebody buys one of your NFTs, you still hold the remaining ones. So consider an NFT as a digital print of your work. If we look at the law, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, do not have their own specific copyright laws in the US and other countries as well, I guess. But they fall under existing copyright regulations. Here are some key points to consider. Unless the creator has explicitly transferred the copyright through a legal contract, selling an NFT does not transfer copyright ownership. The creator retains it. There have already been court cases involving NFT copyright disputes, and their outcomes actually will help shape future regulations. One famous example: in June 2022, Yuga Labs, creator of the Bored Apes, has sued a conceptual artist who created his own line of ape NFTs. He claims they are satire and a form of appropriation art, while Yuga claims they are trademark infringement. This case was filed in California, and Yuga won more than $1.5 million in damages. But as of now, the case is still open and in the phase of post-judgment discovery. Another example: in late 2022, movie studio Miramax sued Hollywood writer and director Quentin Tarantino for planning to sell NFTs of his Pulp Fiction screenplay. Tarantino argued he retained screenplay publication rights and that the NFTs were simply a way to republish his script in a new format. Miramax, for its part, insisted that the contract gave it rights to media that have not yet been developed in 1996. That should include the NFTs. Case settled. And in January 2022, fashion house Hermes sued digital artist Mason Rothschild for selling Meta Birkin's NFTs, digital images of Birkin bags. Hermes has alleged trademark infringement, urging that consumers were misled into believing that Hermes has created or at least endorsed the Meta Birkins, and further that it has damaged the fashion house's ability to enter the NFT space itself. Rothschild has argued that his NFTs are artistic expression and cannot be the basis of trademark liability. The court ruled in favor of Hermes, but the artist filed an appeal and we are still waiting for appeal decision. Let's look at NFT copyright from technical point of view. The two main formats of NFTs are ERC 721. This is the most common standard for non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. It ensures that each token is unique and cannot be replaced or divided, making it ideal for digital art. ERC 1155, this is a more advanced and flexible standard that allows for both fungible and non-fungible tokens within the same contract. It enables batch transfers and it reduces transaction costs, making it useful for gaming, digital assets, and collections with multiple editions. Neither ERC 721 nor ERC 1155 directly protects an artist's copyright. These standards define how NFTs are created, owned, and transferred on blockchain, but they do not enforce or guarantee copyright protection. Copyright is basically a legal right that exists outside of blockchain. So while NFTs can provide ownership of the digital asset and its transactional history, they do not automatically grant or protect intellectual property rights. So the conclusion here is that artists must still rely on traditional copyright laws, licensing agreements, and smart contracts terms to clarify rights, usage, and royalties. A smart contract that follows the ERC 721 standard must include specific functions, such as ownership, tracking, and transfer mechanism. But the contract itself can have additional custom logic, like enforcing royalties or restricting transfers. So while ERC 721 provides a framework, the actual smart contract is written and deployed based on that standard. So let's look if NFT platforms actually protect any copyrights of the artists. So platforms like OpenSea and Foundation App follow DMCA, Digital Millennium Control Act rules. This one is more about the case when your artwork is minted or sold as an NFT without your permission, and you can file a takedown request. By the way, this happened to my work, and OpenSea has taken care of those NFTs and took them down. So to sum up, selling an NFT does not mean that you are giving up your copyrights. However, it's important to stay informed and protect your rights as an artist. If you found this video helpful, please like it, leave the comment. I'd appreciate your thoughts. It really helps more people find this content and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.